Welcome back. What up, family?
Yes, sir. Y'all know what time it is. It is Moonvember. Y'all know what it is. Moo.
Yo, so Burger King is out here giving away cryptocurrency.
Free money, free
Holy,
bands.
there ain't no
Ooh.
way. And guys, wait till you see what kind of shit they're giving away. They're giving away the house, bro. Yo, they gave him way more. Tom Brady gave that nigga for giving back the football.
Not even just Tom Brady. Well, the Tom Brady and the Buccaneers organization combined. Oh, Lord. Hey, for all you sports bettors out there, all you gamblers, all you addicts out there that like getting your money, putting up money playing the lottery, whatever it might be, you might be hitting up Burger King for the next month.
That ass, man.
Burger
And
King
all you
might
gotta
be
do,
hey, it might be your breakfast, lunch, dinner for the next 30 days or so.
yeah,
Hey,
man.
Thanksgiving, what y'all having? The Burger King feast.
Let's get into it. So, guys, Burger King is giving out cryptocurrency to loyalty members. Now, don't be scared. We're going to explain to you at the end how to become a loyalty member. It's not that crazy. But first, so, got highlighted here. Most of the cryptocurrency being given out will be in Dogecoin. And they will be giving out Ethereum and Bitcoin. Gotta have a Robinhood account. That's how you're gonna be able to accept your crypto if you win.
And also for you guys out there, Robinhood is free. Sign up takes about 5-10 minutes, depending on if you have your IDs with you. So it's real quick, real simple to sign up. So don't be afraid.
So you see it right here. The burger chain will give away a total of 20 Bitcoin, 200 Ethereum, and 2 million Doge coin.
Woo! My goodness. They got the payments ready, yo. They opening up the vault. They said, hey, the king been stacking up some gold over these years and give it back to the people. So
Yeah, the king been stacking up. Yeah, now you get the gold. I like that. Yo, man, they need to have a commercial. Yo, Burger King, man, just, with the Johnny Manziel. Yo, Sean, hey, man, come get it, man, because
or hey, Thanksgiving is coming up, and y'all know in New York they be doing the parade floats. Hey, what if they have the Burger Man, the King flying through with Bitcoin eyes or something?
Yeah, that's what I like. So customers hoping to get some crypto from Burger King have to become BK Royal Perk members, make $5 purchase on the app, website, or using the My Code function at the restaurant. Then wait for an email with the prize code. Then they redeem the prize using a Robinhood crypto account. Okay. And here's another article. This is what the CEO,
I guess, or let's just say this is the Burger King team. This is what their press release they put out.
As a brand, we are always looking for ways to reward our most loyal guests with exclusive offers that are exciting, unique, and culturally relevant. Cryptocurrency has been a hot topic of conversation recently, but we know it can be difficult to understand. That's why we wanted to bring crypto to our guests in a way that was accessible and digestible, through our food. The chain, though, declined to say whether it would accept crypto as a payment in the future. Little tidbit right here. If not Burger King's first time dipping into its toes into the crypto waters, in 2017, the chain launched its own cryptocurrency called the Whopper Coin in Russia. Technically still tradable, that crypto has been largely forgotten by investors with no recent sales. And I went to actually go take a look, and they don't have any sales. And I don't know where you can buy it. If you guys want me to find that out for you, I can make a nice little short for you guys. But I don't think, maybe this can get the Whopper Coin going. I don't know. I couldn't tell you. And then, guys, lastly, this is how you join the Royal Perks. It's right here on their website. Just type it in on Google. It's not that difficult. When they say join the Royal Perks, they pretty much mean you got to just sign up. It's nothing crazy. Yep. You don't have to pay. You don't have to buy $100 worth of Burger King to get in. Nah, you just pretty much sign up and go get some Burger King. $5 at least. And yeah, I'm sure they have 2 million Dogecoin. So it's like most of the time you're going to be getting 25 cents back. You know, 27 cents, something like that.
Hey, but you might get an Ethereum, you might even get a Bitcoin.
You might
Who knows?
get that Ethereum and that Bitcoin. That's like one of the lottery. This is better than lottery chances, bro.
This is.
Go get yourself a fucking coffee. If you don't like eating Burger King, it don't matter. Go get yourself a coffee. If you like Burger King, get yourself a Chicken or a Whopper Jr.
Hey,
get some fries,
also,
yo.
Too,
get
don't
breakfast.
Don't they have the Burger King hash browns for the morning people?
There you
sure
go.
They have those.
Get a little hash browns.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? I like if I need a coffee, I need a quick coffee. I don't like McDonald's coffee. You know, I usually go to like Starbucks. If the Dunkin's too far away or anything like that, I had Burger King. I'll go to Burger King. I think they got like Hershey Drop in their coffee. It's pretty good. You know, coffee's coffee. You know, grab that shit. What's it like? You know, a few dollars. Maybe I'll get a little hash brown. Not hash browns. I'll get a little French toast sticks if I'm feeling a little, you know, sugary. You know, it's pretty good. It comes all together. You know, a nice little breakfast meal. Make sure you guys eat your salads, eat healthy, guy, and make sure you go to the gym. But other than that, yo, I'm going to Burger King for the next 21 days. I'm trying to get me that Bitcoin. Stop playing.
Hey, I'm gonna tell y'all right now. I love the way that they're promoting this because it's not some just it's not like you know you can play and maybe you'll win, maybe you won't.
We're gonna give a Bitcoin to charity.
Exactly. It's literally like every time you buy, you redeem your code if you're a member of the Royal Perks Club, and hey, you get something in return. You know, and then like Daeza already said, more often than not, it's probably gonna be Dogecoin. But for that off chance you do get a piece or even a full Ethereum, or that off chance you do get some or even a full Bitcoin, hey, y'all gonna be diamonds dancing, shining. Y'all going you gonna probably pretty much like cover your car in the Bitcoin man, not the Bitcoin, the Burger King man, the king. Skin it up like the king.
Eating Burger King for the rest of your life. You get that Bitcoin, and let's put it in perspective. We're gonna look up how many sales does Bitcoin do? I'm assuming this is just in the U.S. Do in the U.S. daily. Statista. Get away from me. I don't want your fucking cookies, nigga. Income worldwide. Burger King and U.S. ad spending. Total assets. Restaurant brands international. I don't care.
I'm not tell you, to be honest.
Revenue. Oh, here we go. How many customers are served daily? Damn. Well, that's around the world. 11 million around the world. 11 million around the world. How many Burger King restaurants are there?
I mean, we could probably extrapolate that data and say most of it is
from
the U.S.
Hold on. Let's see. Hold on. How many...
this man... Burger King. Really try to get into it.
How many Burger King franchises? Globally, 18,625 restaurants worldwide in 2020. Okay. So, there's about 18,000 restaurants. So, let's see how many is in the U.S. How many? Okay, that's the night one. I should have it populate. Yep. 11,300. So, over half of them are in the U.S.
Yeah. Well, way more than half.
So I would assume also more than half the sales that they do daily is in the U.S.
In the U.S.
So let's say, let's be, somewhat conservative. Let's say 8 million of those sales is coming. Oh wait, not 8 million. Let's say 6 million. Let's say 6 million. Let's say 6 million.
Yeah, we can say 6 million.
So 6 million sales daily. There's only 2 million Dogecoin. How many of those people are actually part of the Royal Perks program? And if they advertise this the right way, because I went to the website and they didn't advertise it on their website. But if I go to the Burger Kings themselves and, maybe the person on the comms is telling me, hey, did you sign up for our Royal Perks? You can get a free Dogecoin or a Bitcoin or, if they do all that kind of shit, then people are like, oh, okay. So right now, if they were doing 6 million a day with people going through the app, you could say that shit in one day all the prizes is given out, but that's definitely not the case.
And not only is that not the case, what I'd venture even further to say is that most people, it's almost like when the homeless man comes up to you on the street asking for some change, you just tune him out. when people go into these fast food restaurants, these fast food places and stuff, and they hear the word, you want to sign up for our loyalty program, our rewards program, you already know, switch them, cut off. They, nope, I ain't listening. I ain't trying to. Never mind. I don't need it. And keep in mind, I always say, I don't have any stats right in front of me, but I'd be willing to bet that most of the sales that are going into Burger King and anything like that, just in general fast food, most of them are coming through the drive-thru, so people don't have time to just be going there and sitting down. So as soon as they trying to ready to get the order, you want to sign up for the rewards? Nope, I'm good. Out of here. They speed off. So if you're signing up for the rewards program, hey, you're collecting your Dogecoin or you're getting that reward every time. Hey, your chances going up because I'm guaranteeing you a lot of these people, they are not part of that Royal Perks family club or the club, and they are not collecting this. So, hey, this is free money that Daeza just dropped on y'all. So, hey,
and
I
guys,
hope some of y'all take advantage of it. It could be a very, very profitable Moonbember for some of y'all out there. So,
and guys, remember, you have until the 21st. So that gives you, well, from today, 19 days? 19 days to collect your rewards. Now, could even Dogecoin go higher? Yeah. And if every time you go there, you get a Dogecoin, I'll take it, I guess. I mean, I like coffee. Shit.
Hey, I like free money too. Free crypto, okay.
So, guys, definitely, I mean, you're going to be sick when you see that first dude say, yo, Burger King just gave me a Bitcoin.
And all he did was buy a Whopper, some fries, some chicken fries, whatever he bought. And you know how bad the fries are at Burger King.
Oh,
y'all going to be upset.
Don't do that.
Y'all going to be upset.
Yo, but for real, hey man, when they giving out them airdrops, them giving up that stuff, we got a video coming out with how to get free airdrops soon, and we're telling you guys, recoup this free stuff that you can't, that you can get while you can, because you see what's going on in the crypto and NFT space in the community. They ain't giving out free stuff for much longer, man. For sure, no. Yo, El Salvador's out here building schools off their Bitcoin, and Burger King's just giving it away
for free. For free.
Well,
pretty much. I mean, it's not for free, but I mean, if you think one
Bitcoin
Bitcoin for 61,000 and a Whopper is what, $2, $3? If that, you get a junior Whopper. Like, come on, guys. It's just like it's a win-win scenario either way. You're getting fed, and if you're not getting fed, you can give the food away, and you're getting some free crypto. Win-win-win.
Sounds like a win-win-win to me. Now, I'll tell you this much. If I go there, and it's still early, right? It's only November 2nd. If I go there, and it's like a scratch off, it's like not everyone wins. Like, it better be as you buy it, like, first come, first serve. So if I buy it tomorrow, I get something.
I'm assuming it's a ticket. Like, you get it, and they give you the receipt with the scan code, and you scan it, and it tells you the reward you've won. That's what I assume.
Because I swear to God, they say, oh, this one was a dud. Yo, I'm slandering Burger King. Oh my goodness, I'll never eat that again. But I'm thinking that they're just gonna do it on a first come first serve basis because they want people to sign up for their app and get into the Burger King, database, and they get the notifications coming, all that kind of stuff. A lot of people have the Starbucks app, they have McDonald's app, but they don't do the Burger King app. I think McDonald's, in terms of the fast food drive-through type space, they run the breakfast world. They're running breakfast. Wendy's trying to do breakfast too and all this kind of stuff. So this is a very smart move by Burger King because they're letting you know you have to go through our app. And that is just perfect marketing right there. I'm definitely doing it. I'm going to try and get me a Bitcoin. Wish me luck. Let me know for you guys. Do I have a question for them? You got a question for them, Frank?
It's not even really a question. The only thing is, you want free money? You want some free crypto? Hey, y'all know where to go. BK.
There you have it. Yo, peace.